Good morning, everyone. Here is a Sunday meditation to help us jump into spring with some easy energy exercises and calming breath work. So we're going to take our palms. We're going to begin at the pubic bone. We're going to come straight up the body, all the way up, pushing up, stretching as high as you can. And now reaching one hand over the other, just reaching high, higher, and higher. And now coming down into prayer position, letting the shoulders adjust and drop. And now we're going to come back to the pubic bone. We're going to come straight up the center of the body. We're going to come to the temples. We're going to ride over the temples, pull the tension off the neck. Give yourself a hug. Slide down your arms and off the palms. And again, coming back to the pubic bone, both hands coming straight up to the temples, riding over the ears to the end of the neck, pulling any tension left off the neck. Give yourself a hug. Slide down your arms and off the palms. One more time, coming back to the pubic bone, both hands, riding straight up that central column, coming to the temples, smoothing over the ears, pulling tension off the neck. And now give yourself a hug. Slide down the arms, off the palms. And this time, come back into prayer position. Take a breath here. Cross one hand over the other at the heart area. And just take a deep breath. Let it go. Let your shoulders be soft and relaxed. Notice how you feel from just that short stretching that gives the body room to breathe and all the organs. Breathing in again and letting go. Letting go of the winter, letting go of the past. Just let go. Drop the shoulders again, breathing in deeply and breathing out. Breathing in and out with your normal rhythm. Breathing in and out. Now let us connect the entire endocrine system and all of your energy centers, beginning at the crown, connecting in with the divine wisdom of the universe. At the forehead, divine clarity. Off the lips, divine kind words. Off the throat, again, divine communication. Just above the chest, at the thymus, divine immunity. At the heart, divine love. Across that solar plexus, divine compassion and divine power, the power of love versus the love of power. Across the pelvis, divine creativity. Below the knees, divine grounding, letting your feet connect in to the wisdom, support, and innate intelligence of Mother Earth. Come back, bring one hand across the forehead, the other hand just at the heart. Again, connecting the head and the heart. Both hands now right at the heart center together. Taking this time to hold all of your being in love, honor, and reverence, just as you are in this moment in time. Thank you for joining me. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelmed Warrior. Please reach out if there's any way that I can help you in your healing journey. Have a great day on the East Coast. It's absolutely gorgeous out there.